Hey kiddos, welcome back to Full Steam Ahead. I'm super excited about today's activity because we are going to be making a snowstorm in a jar. For this activity, you will need some kind of a glass or clear plastic container. I'm using a glass vase. You can use a jar or an empty plastic container. You'll need a measuring cup or a bowl with about half a cup of water in it. You'll also need some baby oil, some white paint, some Alka-Seltzer, and if you have some glitter, that's optional, but you can use glitter, and you'll also need a stir stick. So the first thing you'll want to do is fill your container about 3/4 full with the baby oil. And then if you have some glitter, you can sprinkle some on top. I've got some gold glitter here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my water and my white paint, and I'll put in about 3 tablespoons of white paint. You can just guess about the amount. Okay, I'll take my stir stick and I'll stir that up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my water and paint mixture on top of the baby oil. And maybe I'll give that another little stir. Okay, so now I'm going to take an Alka-Seltzer tablet and I'm just going to break it into a few different pieces, and then I'll drop them into the container. Do you see what's happening? Let's get a closer look. So how does this work? Because oil is less dense than water, the water sinks to the bottom of the jar. When the water interacts with the Alka-Seltzer, it creates pressure in an upward direction while the oil pushes it back down. Also, when the water interacts with the sodium bicarbonate in the Alka-Seltzer, it creates carbon dioxide gas. These two factors combined help create the blizzard effect. I hope you have fun creating snowstorms in a jar. Take care, and I'll see you again next time for Full Steam Ahead.